Hello all. Sorry for another video. You can blame Jim Hansen and Woggy for this one. So they kind of asked how I have everything organized on Schoology. It came up at the team meeting this morning about how things are organized and easier to see. So this is my screen here. It looks very similar for a student when they log in. They kind of have all this stuff on the upcoming things here, which is nice for them to see so that they can see everything there. And all three of my classes are pretty different, so I'll show you how each of them get used. So if I look at my algebra class, so this class normally during the school year uses very little Schoology, just because Big Ideas is such a great resource. So if you see here, I have a calculator and intro to student conferences. Otherwise, my Schoology is pretty clean here. I have the distance learning week 1 stuff, and then I usually have each day labeled out here. And then I have distance learning week 2. So I'll move this Thursday here in a little bit once week 2 is done. And then I have the stuff there for next week. So next week's kind of a weird week. We have 2 days of review, and then I'm allowing 2 days for a test. And so the kids can even see here, the homework that was assigned today is right here. And they can even go in and click on it, and it'll tell them what it was in there. So they can click on it there, they can see it there, or they can go to Big Ideas and look at it there. And even if they were to click into the folder then for Thursday, I even have a note in there. I added a page, and I have the same information in there. So whether they go into the folder or whether they're looking at the calendar, it's still going to be the same information there for them. And then same thing if they were to look at Tuesday and Wednesday for next week, I have the review. It's on the Big Ideas website, and then each of the videos there for each of the chapters listed there. So this is really a page, even though I don't use Schoology a lot for this class, I still have information in there so they know what is due. And even though it's on another website, you can still put it in as an event and it'll still show up there for them so they know what's there. My tech class uses Schoology a lot more. So if I go here and we kind of assign things by the concept, not necessarily by the day. So even though this was a Friday, Monday lesson, that just happened to be where we ended the concept. And then kind of the same thing here where I have things scheduled up for the week. So on here, if they need to watch a video on Schoology, that's their goal. And then even if they click on here, I want them to watch this video called, Week for Plan 2. If they click on that, it'll take them to my YouTube link. I want them to read Child Studies and sign up with your group. So they have it on there, what I would like them to do. And then also on the side then for later on for next week, therapeutic toy design is what we're doing from the 14th to the 17th, and kind of the same thing of what I have them do. So they'll see this on the calendar, they'll see this on the page, and then also even if they click on the folder, the video is there, and then their 2 assignments are there. So it's really in there for kind of 3 spots for them, on the calendar, on the page, and even in the folder. And then same thing for my linear class. I use this one a lot. I have distance learning by week there, and then I have some stuff out there for next week. And then if you look on the side here, everything is laid out. So there's your homework for next Tuesday. And since this class has my advisory class, there's the attendance quiz. There's the homework for Wednesday with the attendance quiz, homework for Thursday with the attendance quiz, and all that. They can just click there. So if they just want to do a quick glance, they can click on the homework and get started with it right away. If they would like more instruction on it, they can click on the actual folder. And then there's resources and videos and things in there. And the homework is in there as well. So again, a couple different spots that they can see it, or if they really want, they can just go to their calendar and everything is laid out there as well for next week. So, I want to start the homework for Wednesday. If they click on that, it'll take them to the homework for Wednesday. So a couple different options, all of them bring you to the same spot for each kid, but just kind of the 3 ways that I have it laid out.